Hello, this is Sergey from ProperSoft, and today I will show you how to import a CSV file with transactions into Xero Online accounting system. So this video starts from the step when you already have a CSV file. Maybe you download it from your online banking, or maybe you created it with ProperSoft converter, for example, PDF to CSV or bank to CSV. And when you convert it to CSV, I would expect that you selected uh, Xero as a CSV target for your CSV file, so the file is properly formatted for Xero. If you have it downloaded from your online banking, then then you would need to map it a little differently on one of steps that I'm gonna show you in few minutes. So first we have to click on menu item accounting and then click on bank accounts. Now we have to select bank account or credit card account we would like to import transactions into. So for example, for this one we have checking account, and look for the manually import a statement or click manage account and import a statement. So those are doing essentially the same. They go into next screen to import bank transactions. And now we have to click browse button and select our CSV file. So we have this sample CSV file prepared for this demonstration, and we click open and then we click import. So next screen, this is where you map your CSV file to Xero transaction fields, and you also make sure that you are converting correct CSV file, because you can review transactions here before they actually imported into Xero account. So this names like date, amount, payee, description, reference, check number, they are from the CSV file. So when you create CSV file with ProperSoft converter and you select option CSV target as 0, it will add that header column names to the CSV files so it's easier to map it in when you import it into Xero. And another thing, it will name the columns that Xero can understand and automatically map. So in this case, date automatically mapped to transaction date, amount automatically mapped to transaction amount, payee is mapped to payee, and description to description. Only two columns that are not mapped automatically are reference and check number, but they would be on your CSV file if you convert with ProperSoft converter and the file you convert has a checks and check numbers, then the column gonna be filled. And if there's additional information on your OFX file or a PDF file, then it would go to reference column, and then you can map it as well with this very good column. QuickBooks doesn't have this, but here Xero has this additional column that is very convenient when you would like to store additional details about transactions, but not in a, like just put it aside. So you would create reference, select check number, and now you can review transactions if you like next. You can see dates, you can see amounts, you can see how they will be in Xero, and you just click save, and now your transactions are imported. Next step, what is next step? So next step is to map payee names to vendor records. So let's say you would have something like payee like Shell 123 or Shell on Young Street or something like that, but you have vendor called Shell in your Xero accounting, and then you would say you would select that vendor record in Xero for that transaction. And you would also categorize transaction by selecting account as this expense or income account, and you would say this is for like if it is expense, let's say this is like some office expense or some other thing. So this is you categorize transactions, and then after this those transactions will be under your account. That's it. Thank you for watching.